In the early morning hours of August 6, 1945, the city of Hiroshima was beginning another typical summer day. People went about their daily routines, unaware of the imminent catastrophe. At 8:15 a.m., a B-29 bomber named Enola Gay, piloted by Paul Tibbets, dropped an atomic bomb known as Little Boy over the city. In an instant, the world changed forever. The detonation resulted in an immense flash of light, a shockwave, and a ruthless ball of fire that flattened everything in its path. Buildings crumbled, and fires started across the city. Tens of thousands of people were killed immediately, and countless others would suffer from injuries and radiation exposure in the following days, weeks, and years. Survivors in Hiroshima, known as hibakusha, faced the aftermath with a mixture of courage and trauma. Among them was a young girl named Akiko, who narrowly escaped death by seeking shelter in a nearby river. Her family was less fortunate, and she was left to wander the ruins alone, disoriented by the sheer devastation around her. Akiko remembered her parents speaking about the dangers of war. They hoped the conflict would soon end, and how they always believed in the resilience of their community. In the days that followed, Akiko found solace in helping other survivors. She joined a group that assisted with makeshift aid stations, where nurses and doctors treated burns and administered what little medicine they had. The city was left in ruins, but the spirit of its people endured. They began to rebuild, constructing rudimentary shelters, and scavenging through debris for anything usable. As news of the bombing spread across the world, it evoked a complex reaction of horror, disbelief, and reflection. The bombing of Hiroshima was a pivotal moment in history that highlighted both the destructive power of atomic technology and the profound resilience of humanity. In today's world, Hiroshima stands as a solemn reminder of the past and a symbol of hope for a future free of nuclear warfare. Its peace memorials and the annual remembrance ceremonies serve to educate and remind us all of the costs of war. The enduring necessity of peace for future generations. Akiko would later become an advocate for peace, sharing her story with the world, reminding everyone of the tragedy of that day and the need for understanding and reconciliation.